showcase here. The other day we had our first look at a Zippo Hand Warmer, and it's cold out, so I thought it was appropriate to do a little video and fire this guy up. On the box here, it says it lasts up for 12 hours of warmth with one filling. So that's really nice. It's low odor, ideal for hunters, or just if you didn't want anybody to smell that you're out here. So we'll go ahead and we'll open up the box, and the contents contain one little fill cup, and it's marked out. If you want a half a burn, you fill it up to halfway here. If you want a full burn, just a little bit below the top, right there, top of my fingernail. So that's how you know how long. You can do it for 12 or for 6 hours. And then we have the unit, obviously, in its little pack. And then we have a little bag here with, it actually isn't instructions. It lists the distributors all over the world. So it's got the American distributors, European distributors, everything. And that's it. That's all that came in this box. I like to keep boxes to stuff in case if I don't want it, I can sell it, and then somebody else can buy it, and they'll have the box for it and everything. On the side of the box, it also lists that for hunting, snowmobiling, skiing, ice fishing, and football. So you just slide that little ring up on the string there, and that opens up the top of the little bag that it sits in. And then you have your unit. Take the top off the unit. You have that. And you want to take off this little guy right here. You can put the element right inside the top there so you don't lose it or get it wet. Set that all up on here. You take your Zippo lighter fluid bottle. Don't get too close to the fire. Wonder if we can use. Yep. I just used the top of that there to dig this out. It's got a little protector on there so it doesn't come out too easy. And I'm going to do it for half a burn. So fill that cup up halfway. Just squeeze the container. Takes a little bit for it to come out. It's got a little wee tiny nozzle hole on it. That fire is really nice right now, by the way. I actually feel the heat off. It's actually really comfortable to sit here with it. So I filled it up halfway. I just shut the top of the bottle off. And then it's got a little spout there on the end. You're just gonna take that and you're gonna tip it up, let some fluid run into the little element inside this body, just like a Zippo lighter. I do it in each little section. There's 3 little sections there. Just make sure I get some in each one. Just want to soak that right down. Make sure it's all out of there. This back on top. Let it soak in there for a few minutes. Put a little bit of fuel on top of that element. It's not lit. A little bit. That's got her going. That's perfect. You can see that's lit on top. Just gonna let it burn like that for a couple minutes. Nice thing about Zippo is it's not going out either. I have to readjust that little fire over there. Okay, the wind's blowing it out, and that's fine. There's a tiny little element lit inside of that.